Have you ever thought about the best e-commerce platform? Are you anxious to get ideas to earn from home base? Would you like to know? Did you hear before? Absolutely not? Don't worry, if you're willing to learn, then don't miss this opportunity. It's an amazing and very exciting tutorial. We're gonna have a glance for further knowledge, for that's a great impact, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because in this tutorial, we're about to enhance the top e-commerce platforms. In these marketplaces, you can invest a little amount and make your business more profitable after a short period of time. So now, let's get right into it. Let's start with the best e-commerce platforms. The response is very straightforward. The e-commerce platform that best meets your requirements is of course the best. There are hundreds of e-commerce platforms available, each with its distinctive features and suitability for various business types. Now, let's start with the best all-around e-commerce platform, Shopify. Shopify is one of the world's most popular e-commerce platforms. According to BuiltWith, there are now nearly 4 million live e-commerce sites using Shopify. The platform is extremely versatile and can support almost any type of business, both B2B and B2C, both online and offline, and from side businesses to large corporations. And its e-commerce starting price is about $5 per month. Now for the best for stores with fewer than 100 products, Wix. Wix is one of the most user-friendly e-commerce platforms, offering an easy alternative to building professional websites with serverless computing and hassle-free coding. Perfect for a brand new online store with affordable prices, 72 free themes, and a super easy setup. Its e-commerce starting price is about $27 per month. Now let's move on to the one best for large inventories, Bigcommerce. Bigcommerce is known as the world's leading open SaaS e-commerce platform. The platform is also known for its low total cost of ownership and high API flexibility. It's a nice balance of two worlds. This makes the platform easy to adapt to as your business grows and expands. Also, its e-commerce starting price is about $29.95 per month. Now the one best for cornering a niche market, Squarespace. Squarespace is an easy-to-use and user-friendly platform that enables users without coding skills to create beautiful websites. Whether you're a beginner or an established brand, this all-in-one platform provides everything you need to run and grow your business website. Its e-commerce starting price is about $23 per month. Now the best one for versatility, WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a free WordPress plugin that allows merchants to transform their WordPress website into an online store for free. And it also offers additional paid features and integration options to optimize the functionality of your shopping cart. You can read our detailed review of WooCommerce here. Its e-commerce starting price ranges from about $0 to about $249 for extensions. In short, these all are outstanding marketplaces that start with little capital and can get huge revenues. Trust us, you're gonna love doing business with them. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell down below. Thank you so much and we'll see you in the next one.